Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with another very special video. I'm super excited for this one because we do got another pair of Yeezys. Probably one of the last Yeezys. I mean, it is one of the last Yeezys because, as you guys know, Adidas cut off their partnership with Kanye, unfortunately, guys. And without getting into the video just yet, hit me up on Instagram at PKGoden. I post some really cool sneaker reels, fashion stuff. If you guys have any questions about the video, if you guys want to just talk about fashion, sneakers, whatever it is, show some love at PKGoden. That's my Instagram, guys. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So we got a really nostalgic shoe right here. My bad, guys, camera's messing up just a little bit. We got a really nostalgic shoe, and I'll tell you why it is a nostalgic shoe. Not because it's like crazy in any type of ways. Another 350 V2, but it's one of the last ones that is coming out of the Adidas Yeezy vault. So guys, obviously there's a lot of controversy behind Kanye, and Adidas had a partnership with Kanye for these Yeezys. I mean, this billion-dollar company, and all these shoes that were so popular. So there's a couple of shoes that are just not going to be releasing under the Yeezy and Kanye name. Like, for example, the Frost Blues, and just a bunch of other shoes that are just not going to be releasing. But we do have this beautiful colorway right here, the Slates. So the Slates are very nice and fresh. They're going with the theme of this year. You guys seen a lot of earth tones this year, a lot of browns, a lot of steels, a lot of grays, a lot of just earth tones in general. That was a huge pretty much style and colorway for the entire year. As you guys can see, that black stripe goes all the way across the back, splits right here, and then kind of transitions and disintegrates into this kind of gradient. Shows nothing on this side. Very plush material. The nice thick laces, the classic. I laced them in a nice loose way. The supply with the 350 V2, the 3M3 stripes right here, the Yeezy on the inside right there, and then the global little mark with the Yeezy. Now this is going to be gone. That Yeezy part is going to be gone, and it's just going to be pretty much saying Adidas, and then it's going to say that little kind of global sign. One of the comfiest shoes, as you guys already know, that I've ever worn, next to like some New Balances 2002 Rs. But it's sad to see the partnership end. But Adidas is still going to be releasing a lot of 350 V2s, and I'm really excited. There's some really dope, cool colorways, beautiful colorways that are coming out, and we'll see what Kanye has up his sleeve. But Adidas is still going to come out with some really cool, just like stylistic, really nice shoes. And what do you guys think of the Slates, man? I think they're very fresh. I like the colorway. Always comfy. You can count on comfort for Yeezys, but I went true to size. One of the comfiest shoes I have, the what's it called? I'm here over stutter and all that. But the memory foam and the Boost technology on the inside was very plush. So as you guys can see, very plush on that sole. So you got that Boost sole that's very plush. On the inside, it was also very comfortable as well too. I got some really cool on foot and up close shots, and let's get into those, guys. Without further ado, hit me up on Instagram at PKGoden, and let's get into these beautiful sneakers. Let's get into these, guys, without further ado. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you would cop, if you would drop, what you think about them. Let's get into these shots. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Let's get into it.
Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the ting bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Shorty to fly, though, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, said that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my hands, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl.